Ah, it's very clean.
So just take a look.
Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's good. It's cool.
This is the first floor.
This is
First floor.
first floor. Okay.
And it's there.
Natural light. Wow, I can see. Wow.
Your balcony.
Oh yeah, the balcony chair. Okay. Can see you can also speak Swahili.
Swahili?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Oh. Yeah, I know Rwandese speak good French.
Yes.
And
No.
Rwanda. Huh?
In Rwanda, we like to speak Swahili, French. Swahili and English.
Swahili and English. Okay.
French it is not our native.
Oh yes, French is not. I thought French is your main official language.
Official language?
Yeah, I thought.
French?
Yeah.
Me, I don't have any idea about me.
Yote hii ni state ya Nyarugenge. So he's saying this is Nyarugenge state. Nyarugenge state. Welcome back guys to Rwanda. This is how clean Rwanda is. You can see spotless street, very clean, and this one goes to the Chief Commander, President Kagame, for the good work he's doing here. The hygiene here is just on the next level. You can literally eat in the street. that's a very clean city. Don't allow anyone to spoil it. It's very clean.
So just take a look.
Okay. That's beautiful. This is? That's 4. Natural lights. Oh yeah, the balcony chair. Can see you can also speak Swahili.
Swahili?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, I know Rwandese speak good French.
Yes.
And Rwanda, huh?
In Rwanda, we like to speak Swahili, French, Swahili and English.
Swahili and English. Okay. Oh, yes, French is not. I thought French is women official language. Yeah, I thought.
French?
Yeah.
Me?
In the car. Okay. I appreciate it. My friend, you're good, eh?
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you. Remind me your name again. Your name?
Isa.
Yeah, I like what I see. Yours was 10. 10 or 5? 10. So Asante. Yeah. Everything. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, it's there. Oops, opening without a key. This is the pride of Rwanda. guys are actually from Nigeria and they are leaving. Me, I'm still here. It's my day 2. I got my shoes rained on. So let's see other things that Kigali has for us. I want you to look at this beautiful scene. I'm gonna be taking you out in just a second. Yeah, so if you are here, you are able to see a good portion of Kigali from this rooftop. My room is actually at the top, so let me just open. And there you go. Don't worry, I was out here. I removed the socks a little bit. So you can see this is Kigali. There's one thing that is pretty common here. I don't see many tall flats. Maybe unless it's a business complex, sorry. You're not gonna see many flats as you would see in Nairobi, Kenya, and Dar es Salaam. So you can see it right there. It looks like crowded with no tall buildings, unless it's up there, or maybe it's a university or a government building or a business complex. You're not gonna see tall flats like this one here. I think these are units. These are hotel units. That's why you see them raised. So I think that's the road I used to go and see my friend, and I'm gonna meet him. Is in an hotel those sides. So we arrived at different times. I think he left earlier, reserved his hotel earlier. Mine was from 2. Like, I just get there, I don't make reservation prior to time. I also want to see where I'm being taken. I'm very choosy sometimes, very choosy. I really need to know where I'm actually going. Love it, stay there. So like, I love this place. See it? I'm gonna be here for a few days before I move to the next place. So this is Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda. Is Kigali. What's the capital city of Burundi? Without googling, tell me in the comment section.